kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my another video tutorial on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I am going to teach you how you can fetch or how you can display all the videos and the images from a specific folder in Android using the latest Android APIs. Okay, so guys, this code will work on all the Android versions from Android 7 to Android 15. Okay, so for that, as you guys can see that I already have my source code which is opened, and here I let me go through all the code and explain you everything. Alright, so basically we will fetch all the images or all the data, and then we will have to put them inside our array list, and then we have to pass this array list to the adapter class. Alright, and from there we can easily display all the data one by one. Alright, so here you guys can see that I have this activity, and inside this activity I have the toolbar, then I have the recycler view. Okay, only recycler view, and then here I am initializing the controls from here. You guys can see I am having this, and then for the gallery I have a model class, and that is the status model. So basically I am displaying all the status. For example, for in case of an image I have the path as well as the name. Okay, and this is the same for the videos. So a video will have the path as well as the name of the file. Alright, so then I am using the array list, and inside that array list I am going to put all the videos and the audios, and then I will be passing on this to the adapter class. Alright, here you guys can see after I initialize all the controls, here I am setting the toolbar, and then here you guys can see first of all we need the user permission in order to fetch all the data. So here we inside our Android manifest file I have, let me show you. Okay, so here you guys can see we have read media images, read media video, we have the read external storage and write external storage. Alright, so here we will I will check the check storage permissions, the method, and inside that method we are checking if it is greater than or equal to tiramisu, and the tiramisu code is, you guys can see, 33. Alright, and there if it is Android 13 and above, so there then we will have to check for the permissions of the read media video and read media images. Alright, and here you guys can see we are checking this, that if it is not granted, then we have to request these two permissions, manifest.permission.read media images and read media video. Alright, and in case we don't have let me show you from here. Okay, so here in case we for the below Android 13 devices we only have to use the read external storage and the write external storage. So in case we are just reading from the specific folder, so we only need the read external storage permission. Alright, and there we guys can check if it is the permission is not granted, then we have to request for the permission. And here you guys can see we are using the activity compact.request permission method. Alright, and if the permission is already granted, then we have to go to the setup gallery. Okay, so here inside this setup gallery method we are just setting the recycler view to the set to so that it has the fixed size as well as it has a layout, and then we are using this gallery adapter class. Okay, so we have created this class, and then we are just setting it, and then I have used this, let me show you this, fetch all the gallery. So this method basically fetches all the images and the videos, and it puts the name and the path of that image or video inside the array list. Alright, so let me show you the fetch all gallery. Here I am using the file object, and inside that I am using the environment.get external storage public directory, and here we are going to access the pictures folder, which is the default the folder for the Android devices, and here we have this Status Saver Pro. This is our folder name, and from there we are now pointing towards this. Okay, so here when the user goes to the file manager, he will click on the pictures folder, and inside that pictures folder he will see the Status Saver Pro folder. Okay, so we have to fetch all the videos and the audios from this folder. Alright, and then first of all I have created this array list, and I have initialized it like here. Alright, and then I am clearing it in case if any data is, so that the data is not replicated or duplicated. Alright, and after that I am checking if it is not directory, so we can just return. Okay, because there is no directory or there is no folder there. And then finally if there is a folder, and then we just fetches all the files, and if I click on this display files, here it is taking the file object, and here it is using the file array, and from there this is the method directory list by ascending date, and here this is the code, and here it is just sorting the list by using the folder.list files. Alright, and after that it is checking if it is not null, and if it is not null, then we can just use the for loop, and then we put it into our array list. Alright, and then finally we use the adapter.notify data set changed. Alright, it's very simple. We are just fetching all the images here. Alright, and also here you guys can see we have the on request permission result, and here we are checking if the permission is granted, so we can go to the setup the gallery method, and if it is not granted, then we can just toast the user that permission denied to access the media. Alright, this was the code, so you guys now have an idea about how we can fetch the data, and also I will be showing you the adapter class, and here you guys can see that we have the gallery adapter, and here we have the adapter. Here you guys can see we are using the extend recycler view.adapter, and here we are using the file. Okay, so here you guys you can see that we are sending the array list as well as the context to this adapter class, and here we are having the gallery item, and here inside this the gallery item we have the rows, and then here let me show you where. Okay, so here we are just using the status model here, and we are checking if it is not the video. If it is not the video, so we can just display all the data here. Alright, so that was it, and here if you want the source code, so you just need to comment down below, so I will upload the code and you guys can also get that. And in case if you have any questions, so you can always comment down below, so I will answer all of your questions. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.